little artists! Do you love playing in the playground? Today, we are going to draw a super fun playground slider together.
Yay!
Grab your black marker and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the curved sliding part. Make a big, smooth curve, just like a slide. Great job! Now, draw some curved lines inside to make the slider look real and fun. Wow, it's looking amazing already! Next, let's draw the small pillars that hold the slide. Just draw straight lines going down. Now, draw the handles at the top so kids can hold them. You're doing great! Now, let's draw the steps to climb up to the slide. Draw small lines like a ladder. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so our drawing really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Wow, your playground slider looks so bright and fun. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep drawing and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.